Today we are going to solve this problem. XYZ belongs to n. 25x plus 28y plus 30z equal to 220. Then find x plus y plus z. This is an interesting question and you must try it yourself before watching the solution. So let's start solving this question. So what is n here? N is actually a set of all natural numbers. And what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the integers from 1 to infinity. Okay. So x, y, z are three natural numbers. So x plus y plus z will also be a natural number and we need to find it. Okay. So let's take a quantity 25x plus 25y plus 25z. Now we will compare this quantity with this quantity. So how we will do it? Now see that the coefficient of x in this quantity is 25 and also the coefficient of x in this quantity is 25. So those are same. Coefficient of y in this quantity is 25 but the coefficient of y in this quantity is 28 and 25 is less than 28. Coefficient of z in this quantity is 25 and coefficient of z in this quantity is 30 and 25 is less than 30. So all total this whole quantity will be less than 25x plus 28y plus 30z. Okay. So now from here we can take 25 common. So in the bracket x plus y plus z will be left, less than this quantity is equal to 220. So we can say that x plus y plus z is less than 220 divided by 25 and this is 220 divided by 25 is equal to 8.8. So x plus y plus z is less than 8.8. This is our inequation number 1. Now let's take another quantity 30x plus 30y plus 30z. Now we will compare these two quantities. Now see the coefficient of z in this quantity is 30 and also the coefficient of z is in this quantity is 30. So those are same. But the coefficient of x in this quantity is 30 but the coefficient of x in this quantity is 25. So 30 is greater than 25, right? And coefficient of y in this quantity is 30 but the coefficient of y in this quantity is 28. So 30 is greater than 28. So this whole quantity will be greater than 25x plus 28y plus 30z. Okay. So from here we can take 30 common. So x plus y plus z will be here. It is greater than 220. Okay. So we can say that x plus y plus z is greater than 220 divided by 30. Now 220 divided by 30 is approximately 7.33. So this is our inequation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say that 7.33 is less than x plus y plus z is less than 8.8. Now what we saw that x plus y plus z is also a natural number and from here we see that x plus y plus z is between 7.33 and 8.8. Now there is only one natural number between 7.33 and 8.8. What is that? It is 8. So because x plus y plus z is a natural number, so x plus y plus z must be equal to 8 and this is our answer. Now let's justify it. Let x equal to 2, y equal to 5, z equal to 1 and see that the natural values of x, y, z satisfy this equation. Let me show you. 25 into 2 plus 28 into 5 plus 30 into 1 which is 50 plus 140 plus 30, right? So this is equal to 220. So if we find x plus y plus z from here, it will be 2 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 8. So the answer we got from here is correct. So now see that without knowing values of x, y, z, we got the answer correctly. And this type of questions can be solved like this. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and share, and subscribe to our channel for more concepts and videos. Thank you for giving your time.